Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Riviera espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because the lever was not actually going into the right position. As you can see right now, it's on the right position. There has to be a little gap between the lever and the group head, otherwise this will start scratching into the group head. The previous lever, this one you see right here, I don't know if you can focus, there you go, as you can. There you go, focus there. You can see that these holes are very worn out. In one of these is completely oval, and it was actually going into the misalignment without the piston, and it was letting the piston slide through instead of actually catching into that position. So what was happening it was that the spring was just going straight. The lever was just going straight, and it was not engaging to the base of the group head, and it was just scratching the lower part, and it was not going to work like that. So we had to replace it. We did order a new one from Zacconi. I sent them the parts and everything, but unfortunately the one that they sent us is a tiny little bit bigger, so we used one of the ones that we have over here in our shop. That one fitted perfectly, the exact same size as this one. I'm not even sure if they actually made this one anymore. But it's the exact same one. It definitely works really, really well. The lever goes into the right position the way it should, and it's not scratching or damaging anything. Other thing that we did on this machine is we sanded some of the parts of the group head because they were very, very rough. Whoever worked on this machine was very rough with it. There were some parts of the piston that were hit by some kind of metal or something, and we tried our best to sand it and to make it as smooth as possible so it will not interfere with the group head and the piston lever will go smoothly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing out this machine. Then we're going to be using the steam. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings on this machine, otherwise we're going to see your coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'm using the grinder, I'm using the grind size of our grinder Eureka Minion on the back of the shop. That is for our Lily Bianca, and hopefully it's on the right grind for this machine. These ones have a lever, a spring inside this group head, so you have to calibrate the coffee to the machine. Otherwise, the spring will have a lot of troubles to decompress and to extract the coffee, as you're seeing right now. It is still extracting, even though it's slowly dripping. So unfortunately, we're seeing dripping coffee coming out of the machine. But like I say, that is because of the grind I'm using. I'm using a very, very, very fine grind for this machine. So let's do that again with a more coarser one. Okay, let's try that again. I'm using now our grinder that we use for our test coffee. So that one is definitely much coarser than our Lady Bianca one. So hopefully we can see a good shot. Already a much, much better flow coming out from the group head. Coming out from the portafilter, I mean. Steady stream, and it probably need to be a tiny little bit coarser in order to have a much, much better flow. Like I said, you really need to dial in with these machines in order to actually have a perfect cup of coffee. We're gonna be removing the portafilter, and then we're gonna be using the steamer. There you go. Want to show that there's no leaks coming out from the group head. Right now it's on standby, and if we raise this lever, you can see all that pressure going through there. And as well, the machine has nice steam pressure coming out through there. Excellent pressure, really, really good steam, excellent temperature, working great. So there you have it, Zacconi Riviera working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.